On the 4th of August, very early in the morning, a passenger train has caught heavy fire in New York City, where 14 people has been injured. As I said, it has happened on the 4th of August. So a train caught fire in New York City, 14 people has been injured. They are still investigating the cause of the fire. Okay, now I show you guys what I knew. Of course, apart from me, who else will know things like that? Let me enlarge this for you so that you guys, it's already enlarged. I knew something like that. I dreamed that 1 year ago, and I knew it approximately how many people will be killed or injured. In my dream, I thought it was 12. In fact, it's 14. So I was very much close. So again, guys, this is just simple example how things process in my brain, how things work out in my labs. This is my laptop and everything. So it's not stupid AI. Some people told me it's AI. What is AI? My ass. Here it is. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. I am the most powerful man God has created. Unfortunately, nobody here in USA want to recognize my power. I leave it that way. Thank you again.